السلام علیکم پیارے حضور.
وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ. ہاں جی, کیا فرماتے ہیں؟
My name is Ishal Noor and I'm from Birmingham East. I have 2 questions.
اچھا, پہلا تو ایک تو کرو نا پہلے. ہاں یس.
My first question is, we say that one of the proofs of Ahmadiyya is that it is a growing sect within Islam. However, there are many other religious groups such as Sikhism and Baha'ism which are also rapidly spreading. So would this be a proof for their truth as well?
Do you have any data of Sikhism and Baha'ism which is spreading, rapidly spread? You have used the word rapidly spreading. Huh? Where did you get this data from?
Online.
Online. So how many people join Sikhism and Baha'ism every year? Huh? Can you tell me?
No.
No. 10, 20, 100 or 150, not more than that. Whereas Ahmadiyya is spreading all across the world, from Africa to South America, from Asia to Europe. So everywhere, in the islands, Far East, Australia, and everywhere. And this is the only community which has a mission all across the world. I mean, now at present we are in 220 countries of the world, right? Whereas we don't find Baha'is or Sikhs in each and every part of the world. And thousands of people are joining us every year. You cannot prove it that even Sikhs and Baha'is accept this fact that Ahmadiyya is spreading very rapidly, and with the pace is very fast. How can you say? I don't know why you are so much ill-informed. Achha.